In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Smartsheet. We'll be using Zapier as the bridge between the two tools. By the end, you'll have a secure connection set up so that Notion is available inside your Zapier account and ready to be used in automations with Smartsheet. Start by opening your Smartsheet account and navigating to the workspace or project you want to eventually connect with Notion. This is mostly to give you context. You'll want to know which sheets or projects you plan to sync once Notion is connected. Next, open Zapier in your browser. Once you're logged in, look for the Home area in the top navigation and click on it. From the Home screen, you'll see a few options in the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Zapier manages all the different tools you connect to your account. Inside the Apps section, you should see your account listed at the top. Click on your account name to open the Connections area. Here, Zapier shows all of the apps you've already connected and gives you controls to add new ones. You'll see a button or link labeled Add Connection. Click that to start adding a new app. A search or selection panel will open. In this view, click into the search bar and type Notion. Then select Notion from the results. If you see Notion more than once, just make sure you're choosing the standard Notion app logo. After choosing Notion, you'll again see an option to add connection specifically for Notion. Click Add Connection, and Zapier will open a new window or tab that leads to Notion's authorization screen. On the Notion screen, Zapier is asking for permission to access your workspace. Look for the option that says something like View Pages You Select. Click on that. This lets you control exactly which Notion pages Zapier can see, which is a good security practice. Next, click Select Pages. A list of your Notion pages and sections will appear. You can expand your private section or any other area you use to store the databases you plan to sync with Smartsheet, then choose the relevant pages. When you're happy with your selection, confirm it. Finally, click Allow Access to grant Zapier permission. You'll be returned to Zapier where you might briefly see a loading state. Once that finishes, Notion will appear as a connected app in your Zapier connections list, ready to be used in workflows that integrate with your Smartsheet data.